dear viewer, and welcome so much to Hope Channel. What a beautiful moment that you just tuned in right on time. Welcome so much to HCK Beewiz contest. Join me, Abby Wambua, as I am bringing you a thrilling experience. I have two teams just like always, but if you're joining us for the first time, you have not missed a lot. You're just starting a new journey of the best experience so far. So I am tagging along two teams, and on my left, I am joined by Wangapala. Boys, can you snap your fingers? Thank you so much. The energy is already here. And on my far right, I am joined by amazing, beautiful girls. Dudi girls, kindly snap your fingers. Thank you so much. We are ready for this. And of course, we are not coming here alone. We are tagging judges through this amazing journey. So I am introducing to you our different judges that are around. Kindly say your name.
I'm Carol Odhiambo from Dudi, and I wish both the contestants all the best.
Thank you so much, Carol.
Hello everybody, I am Steve Ochungo from Wangapala. I wish the two teams all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm Michael Onyango. The two teams look very sharp. I want to wish all of them success.
Thank you so much.
Mosomi Ezra, be courageous, take the floor. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You already got the wishes. And remember, here it's how you think, how fast you get, how fast you grow, and how fast you rise to get to the top. Now, to my far left, Wangapala. And to my far right, Dudi. These are the instructions of the contest. Number 1, every single question that is practical or mathematical, this question is going to take 1 minute 30 seconds. And if the question is theory oriented, the question is going to take 30 seconds. And as well, if your time is done and you didn't get it right, your partner or opponent is going to help you answer. If they answer, they get 5 points. And as well, if they fail to get the answer, your subs are going to help you answer and you get 5 points. And because subs make an amazing teams, this time round, I want to introduce to you our subs. I'm going to start with Wangapala. Kindly greet us, say a name, and wish yourself all the best and your team.
I wish all the teams all the best.
Thank you.
Emmanuel Eugene Peter, I wish them all the best.
Thank you.
Maurice Franklin, wish both teams the best.
Thank you so much. And then we have Dudi girls. Subs.
Swinis Novia, all the best.
Thank you so much.
Charlene Michelle, I say that we can do it. We know we can.
Interesting.
Melly Maureen, I wish all the teams all the best.
Thank you so much. Here is where brilliant mind buzz. And today I am going to start with the team that is in navy blue, and this is Dudi. Question number 1. Question number 1. Listen carefully. Remember, this is going to take you 1 minute 30 seconds. The base of a right pyramid is a square of side 10 centimeter. The slant height is 13 centimeter. What is the total surface area of the pyramid? Is it clear, or should I repeat? Okay, the base of a right pyramid is a square of side 10 centimeter. The slant height is 13 centimeter. What is the total surface area of the pyramid? Your countdown begins right now. Remember, you only have 1 minute 30 seconds, and this question goes both to team A, B, and their substitutes. So this is a teamwork. The first you get the answer, the better. You either save your team or make your team fail. Remember, teamwork is key. The clock is ticking. We are at 1 minute, 1 second. Keep going. You got the answer? Are you sure? Do you want to cook it a little bit more? What is the answer? Dudi, you have 45 seconds remaining. Yes, please. Dudi, you have a few seconds remaining. We are at 35. Sorry? 568. 568. Do you want to change the answer? Do you promise you're not going to regret if I gave you a different answer? Yes. Okay. 568. Wangapala. Wangapala, do you have an answer? We actually have 14 seconds remaining. Wangapala?
148.
148. Interesting. We have 560, 148. Let me go to the substitutes. Do the substitutes. Do you have a different answer?
340.
340. Time is over, but there's time for the substitutes. Wangapala?
340.
340. The subs seem to have the similar answer. Here, they seem to have a different answer. And as well, I'm joining the team with a different answer. The correct answer is 260 centimeter cubed. Okay, it's just a matter of the beginning. We still have grace over. Now, question number 1 for Wangapala. Question number 1 for Wangapala. A bag contains 5 red, 4 blue, and 3 green balls. 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement. What is the probability that both balls are green? Is it clear or should I repeat? Repeat. A bag contains 5 red, 4 blue, and 3 green balls. 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement. What is the probability that both balls are green? The countdown begins right now. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. You actually have 1 minute, 10 seconds remaining. Probability. Your subs are also thinking. I don't know what the answer could be, but we are waiting for your answer. Keep thinking. What's your answer? If you got the answer, you raise your hand and give me the answer. Yes, Wangapala?
His answer is 6.
Probability. Dudi, do you have a different answer? 2. Probability. Wangapala substitutes, do you have a different answer?
3.
3. This is probability. Dudi, substitutes, do you have a different answer?
2.5.
I am reminded the days we had buses and you're asked how many buses came to your way and you say 1.0 buses. Probability does not work with, you said 2.5. 2.5. Can you make that a fraction? Interesting. You all had whole numbers, but probability that you're going to get is 1/22. So we are starting it at 0, but we can do better. Who is watching from home? Kindly keep giving us your feedback. Now, another question to Dudi. A sequence is defined by T base n equals to a n squared plus b n plus c. Given that T1 equals to 2 and 2T2 equals to 6 and T3 equals to 12. Find the value of T. Is it clear? Now, a sequence is defined by T base n equals to a n squared plus b n plus c. Given that T1 equals to 2, T2 equals to 6, and T3 equals to 12. Find the value of T5. I am counting on you. The countdown begins right now. The countdown begins right now. Remember, we have 1 minute 30 seconds. 1 minute 30 seconds. Remember, this is our third question. The clock is ticking. We are at 1 minute 10 seconds. Dudi, can't wait for the answer and know who's taking the first 10 points. Keep moving. Keep moving. Dudi, we are at 50 seconds. Wangapala, I see you still trying to get something. Can't wait to see what teamwork breeds today. Remember, your results have been tallied, so it will be better if we give our tallying team work to do. Yes, Dudi, if you have the answer. Do you? 18. All right. Wangapala, do you have a different answer? Do you have a different answer? Yes, please.
72.
72. I love that. This is interesting. Do these substitutes? Yes.
48.
48. The time is over, but you were so close. Subs from Wangapala?
46.
You had to look for a number which is closer to that. Unfortunately, the answer is 30. We're still on a 0 page, but the best thing is that at the end, I'll see if we deserve a bonus for that. Now, let me throw another question to Wangapala. A rectangle is inscribed in a semicircle of radius 7 centimeter, such that one of its sides lies along the diameter. What is the maximum possible area of the rectangle? Should I repeat or clear?
Repeat.
A rectangle is inscribed in a semicircle of radius 7 centimeter, such that one of its sides lies along the diameter. What is the maximum possible area of the rectangle? Your countdown begins right now. And the clock is ticking. Remember? Remember, the clock is ticking. I can't wait to see what we have today. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. My team, keep on moving. I can't wait to see what happens after this. Keep on moving. We have 55 seconds now. We have 45 seconds remaining. Keep moving. Wangapala, we are counting on you. Wangapala, do something. We have less than 40 seconds. Therefore, we are at 27 seconds. Wangapala, the question is, a rectangle is inscribed in a semicircle of radius 7 centimeter, such that one of its sides lies along the diameter. What is the maximum possible area of the rectangle? We are at 7 seconds now. Teamwork will save you. Time is done. Dudi, do you have an answer?
Yes.
Which is the answer?
98 centimeters squared. Square centimeters.
Ooh, do you want to take a different way? Or let me take it to the subs. Wangapala substitutes. What's your answer?
39.325.
39.325. Let me take it to Dudi substitutes.
54.375.
54. You're working with decimals. Wangapala, are you done? Not yet. Can I give you the answer? The answer is 98. So, Dudi finally is beginning the tally with 10 points. Woo! 5 points. 10 was for Wangapala, but they failed at that, so Dudi is starting with 5 points. Thank you. That was smart of you. Now, let me take it to Dudi. In an experiment, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen gas in the presence of manganese 4 oxide. Which combination of results proves, you got the simple there, that is also a task for you, is a catalyst? I am repeating for you one more time. In an experiment, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen gas in the presence of manganese 4 oxide. Which combination of results proves manganese oxide is a catalyst? The countdown begins right now. Dudi, I know you're also working. Wangapala, you're also working. I can't wait to see what's your answer. Yes, keep on moving. Dudi, you have 10 seconds. Yes.
The rate increases, but manganese 4 oxide mass remains unchanged.
Really?
Yes.
Let me ask Wangapala before time is over. Wangapala, do you have a different answer? What's your answer again?
I've said the rate increases, but manganese 4 oxide mass remains unchanged.
Is it 4 or 2?
Manganese 4 oxide.
Okay, all right. Let me ask substitutes of Dudi. What's the answer do you have?
The rate increases, but manganese 4 oxide mass remains unchanged.
Interesting. Wangapala, do you have a different answer?
No.
Okay, now this is the correct answer. The rate increases, but manganese 4 mass remains unchanged. That is 10 points for Dudi girls. Now let me take it to Wangapala. Wangapala, eh? We're still here? Now listen to your question. A student compresses a fixed mass of gas in a sealed syringe at constant temperature. The pressure doubles. Which statement is most accurate? Repeat, I'll give you time to answer. A student compresses a fixed mass of gas in a sealed syringe at constant temperature. The pressure doubles. Which statement is most accurate? Your countdown has begun, but the statements are: the number of particles in the gas doubled, the average speed of molecules doubled, the volume was halved due to Boyle's law, the kinetic energy of gas molecules increased. You have 18 seconds now. Yes, Wangapala, you have another chance to start it big and better. Yes.
The kinetic energy of the gas molecules increased.
Dudi, do you have a different answer?
Yes.
Yes, please.
The volume was halved due to Boyle's law.
Interesting. This time, Dudi got it right. 5 points for Dudi. This must be your favorite subject. Now, Dudi, this is your question. Which of the following best explains why pure water does not conduct electricity, but a solution of ethanol and water does conduct slightly. Is it clear?
Repeat.
Which of the following best explains why pure water does not conduct electricity, but a solution of ethanol and water does conduct slightly? Your countdown begins right now. Option number 1, ethanol ionizes fully in water. 2, ethanol has free electrons that move in solution. 3, ethanol is polar and interacts weakly with water molecules. 4, impurities in ethanol create charged particles. Remember, you have 8 seconds now. Yes?
Ethanol is polar and interacts weakly with water molecules.
Interesting. Do you have a different answer? And that gives Dudi other 10 points. Now to Wangapala. Take a deep breath. Now, listen keenly. A plant is illuminated with red light for 12 hours and then tested for starch. The result is negative. Which conclusion is least supported? Can I give you time?
Repeat.
A plant is illuminated with red light for 12 hours and then tested for starch. The result is negative. Which conclusion is least supported? Your time has begun. We have different opinions and options. Red light was not absorbed by chlorophyll. 2, photosynthesis did not occur. 3, chlorophyll in the plant was inactive. 4, red light does not support photosynthesis. Yes?
Red light does not support photosynthesis.
Interesting. Dudi, do you have a different answer before the time is out? Which is?
Red light does not support photosynthesis.
What did you say? You said the same, right? Yes. Now, Subs, do you have a different answer? Yes. Which is?
Chlorophyll in the plant was inactive.
Okay, Dudi, do you have a different answer? Okay, the correct answer is red light does not support photosynthesis. So that's a 10 for Wangapala. Now taking it to Dudi. Thank you so much for how strong you've decided to come. A current of 0.5 A is passed through molten lead to bromide for 10 minutes. What mass of lead is deposited? A current of 0.5 A is passed through molten lead to bromide for 10 minutes. What mass of lead is deposited? The countdown begins right now. Remember, we have iron 96,500 per mole, and then we have lead at 207 grams per mole. So this is your time to give us the correct answer. The clock is ticking. Dudi, we are counting on you. Remember, this could be your last chance before we go to our break. Your results will be out, yes?
233.09.
233.09. Dudi, thank you so much. Wangapala, do you have a different answer? Wangapala, do you have a different answer? No. Dudi, Subs, do you have a different answer? No. Wangapala, do you have a different answer? The answer is, sorry?
146.6.
146. The answer is 0.3225 gram. And that gives us a 0. Now, to Wangapala, as you're getting your results in a few minutes, listen to your last question. A student investigates the motion of a cat down a slope with increasing gradients, graphing velocity versus time. They observe an upward curve getting steeper. Which conclusion is most likely? I will repeat, should I? Yes. A student investigates the motion of a cat down a slope with increasing gradient, graphing velocity versus time. They observe an upward curve getting steeper. Which conclusion is most likely? Options: the cat accelerates uniformly, the slope resists motion more as gradient increases, acceleration increases with gradient, friction cancels out gravity. You have 30 seconds to answer. We are waiting. You have 30 seconds to answer. You have 30 seconds to get the answer. Oh, you got it. Are you sure? Yes. Give it to me.
Acceleration increases with gradient.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And this gives Wangapala 10 points. Thank you so much. I am waiting on our results. And these are our results. We have a team that has 20, and that is Wangapala. A round of applause. And then we have another team that has 30, and this is Dudi. Thank you so much. Congratulations for this first half. I can't wait until we get to the second part. Kindly stay tuned. This is HCK Beewiz contest, and my name is Abby Wambua. Thank you so much for tuning to Hope Channel. What a beautiful moment that you're joining us for the second time in HCK Beewiz contest. My name is Abby Wambua. I hope you didn't leave. You stayed by to wait on what we are bringing you in this second part. And remember that Beewiz here, we are fast to think, fast to answer, and fast to lead. So it's a matter of time, a matter of speed. And I am joined by two teams who are contesting, Team A and Team B. On my far right, I am joined by Dudi. Girls, kindly wave at the camera and say hello. Hello. Thank you so much. And then I am joined by Wangapala. Kindly wave your hands and say hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much. We left at a very challenging point. But one thing I know, we can make a great change from where we left at. Our story can change to the best or to the best beyond. So it's a matter of you to make a decision and to be fast enough to answer. Remember, the instructions are just simple. Mathematical or practical questions take a sum of 1 and 30 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds. And if a question is theory oriented, it takes only 30 seconds. So right now, it's time we begin. Are you ready for this? If you're ready for this, kindly give yourself a round of applause. Thank you so much. I am starting with Dudi. And your first question is, listen carefully. The Treaty of Huchale, 1889, resulted in conflict between Ethiopia and Italy because, is it clear or should I repeat? Okay. The Treaty of Huchale, 1889, resulted in conflict between Ethiopia and Italy because you have 30 seconds to answer. The options we have: Ethiopia invented Eritrea despite mutual defense terms. The Amharic and Italian versions had conflicting meanings. It placed Ethiopia under the Sultan of Zanzibar. It gave Ethiopia access to the Red Sea. What is the answer? The clock is ticking and we have 8 seconds. What is the answer? The clock is ticking. Yes, please.
The Amharic and Italian versions had conflicting meanings.
Okay, the Amharic and Italian versions had conflicting meanings. Do you have a different answer?
No.
Do these substitutes, do you have a different answer? And Wangapala, do you?
Ethiopia invaded Eritrea despite mutual defense terms.
Interesting. And the correct answer is the Amharic and Italian versions had conflicting meanings. A round of applause for Dudi. They have actually begun it at 10. Now, let me take the question to Wangapala. Wangapala, are you still ready for this? On a topographic map, River K flows through a U-shaped valley with broad flat bottoms and steep side. Which formation process is best explained this? I repeat, on a topographic map, River K flows through a U-shaped valley with broad flat bottoms and steep sides. Which formation process best explains this? You have 30 seconds to answer. Do you want opinions? Do you want multiples? Or you can think it through. Remember, your countdown just began. Yes, Wangapala. The countdown is at 24 seconds. Keep on moving. Wangapala, we are waiting on you to give us the answer. What is? Yes, please. You have 7 seconds right now. Yes?
River meandering over time.
Interesting. I love that answer and you are very timely to say the answer. But let me take the question again to Dudi. Dudi, do you have a different answer?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Glacial erosion and retreat.
Interesting. Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me take it to the substitutes. Wangapala, do you have a different answer?
Wind abrasion.
Ooh, interesting. Do the substitutes?
False cap subsidence.
And every single person has a different answer. But the correct answer is glacial erosion and retreat. Thank you so much. Congratulations. You got yourself 5 points. Now, to Dudi again. The 1900 Buganda Agreement formalized British indirect rule by, should I repeat or is it clear?
Repeat.
The 1900 Buganda Agreement formalized British indirect rule by, your 30 seconds begins right now. Options, we have abolishing the Kabaka's authority and imposing direct rule. 2, appointing Indian agents as intermediaries. 3, preserving the Kabaka and integrating chiefs into colonial structure. 4, giving control of trade to missionaries. Yes?
Preserving the Kabaka and integrating chiefs into colonial structure.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I feel like if I tell you the correct answer, you would actually regret. Are you sure? You're sure with your answer?
Yes.
Wangapala? Yes, please. I see somebody is raising the hand.
Yes.
Yes.
Preserving the Kabaka and integrating chief into colonial structure.
Interesting. To your subs, Dudi, do you have a different answer? And Wangapala subs, do you have a different answer?
No.
Okay, interesting. The answers are 4 and 1 is the correct answer. The correct answer is preserving the Kabaka and integrating chiefs into colonial structure. Congratulations. You get yourself how many points?
10.
10. Dudi, thank you so much. Now to Wangapala. This is a time for us to shine. Wangapala? Wangapala?
Yes.
Are we ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, can we change the story?
Yes.
Okay, in East Africa, tectonic activity has directly influenced settlements by, should I repeat?
Yes, repeat.
In East Africa, tectonic activity has directly influenced settlements by, that's a question. The opinions are, as the time begins, encouraging population growth in fertile basins, creating flat plateaus ideal for plantation, limiting access to coastal resources, producing rugged terrain, discouraging dense settlement. Yes. We are 10 seconds right now.
Producing rugged terrain, discouraging dense settlement.
Do you feel like you want to explain?
No?
That is your answer.
Yes.
The answer is very correct. Thank you so much. Now to Dudi. Which factor most enabled the Kamba to dominate long-distance trade compared to their neighbors? The options we have: early literacy from missionary schools, strategic settlements along caravan stops, collaboration with the Portuguese in the 1600s, access to coastal harbors. Your countdown begins right now.
Strategic settlements along caravan stops.
Interesting. Wangapala, do you have a different answer? Subs from Dudi and Wangapala?
Access to coastal harbors.
I love that because every single person has the right answer. Yes, but the most correct answer is strategic settlements along caravan stops. Congratulations, Dudi. You're actually doing very, very well. Now, to Wangapala. Which of the following was not a consequence of the Berlin Conference for African boundaries? Should I repeat? Yes. Which of the following was not a consequence of the Berlin Conference for African boundaries? Options: it ignored ethnic group territories, it respected existing African kingdoms, it caused long-term territorial disputes, it allowed powers to claim inland zones via coastlines. Oh, the countdown has not yet begun, but you have the answer. Yes, please.
It ignored its ethnic group territories.
The answer is not correct. Dudi?
It allowed powers to claim inland zones via coastlines.
The answer is still... All right, let me try substitutes, yes?
It respected existing African kingdoms.
The answer is not yet. Yes, before I make a conclusion, Dudi?
It allowed powers to claim inland zones via...
The answer is not correct. The correct answer is what Wangapala said. Substitutes said it respected existing African kingdoms. Therefore, Wangapala gets how many points? 5. A round of applause. Thank you so much. So far, our dear judges, how is the going? You have a chance to give us your opinion in 30 seconds.
The going is quite interesting.
Yes.
We just urge the boys and girls to keep up.
Yes.
And created the difference.
Thank you so much. Gender balance any day, anytime. Judge Carol, tell us something.
This round has been quite exciting.
Yes.
Just encouraging the contestants to keep it up.
Yes.
Wangapala, you look discouraged, but please use the remaining time to be able to redeem yourselves.
Thank you so much. Let me throw that again to Wangapala. What do you have to say to the substitutes and Dudi? What do you want to say to them?
We are afraid we are taking the win home.
Oh, you have to tell them direct on their face. Dudi, what do you want to tell Wangapala?
We are aiming higher just as our motto suggests.
Ish, interesting. Now let me throw this question to Wangapala. Substitute, say something to your team. Yes.
We hope for all the best and we aim for nothing but the best. That's our motto.
Ish, you aim nothing but the best. And then do this substitute. Do you have something for your team?
Let's do this, we can.
Ish, let's do this, we can. Now, we left it at Wangapala. Let me take it to Dudi. The first question. Read the sentence below and answer the question. Had she known the truth, she would not have accepted the award. Which grammatical structure does this sentence exemplify? I am repeating for you. Read the sentence below and answer the question. Had she known the truth, she would not have accepted the award. Which grammatical structure does this sentence exemplify? Your countdown begins right now. 30 seconds just for you. Yes? 30 seconds. The clock is ticking. Guess we add 15 seconds. Yes?
Add conditional sentence with fronted subordinate clause.
Just remind me what you want to be when you grow up.
I want to be a lawyer.
A lawyer?
Yes.
Ish. And you're just serving me truth and facts. Therefore, you got yourself 10 points. Amazing, amazing. Wangapala, in the poem, the candle guttered like a dying breath, its wax weeping in quiet surrender. Which line most suggests a pathetic fallacy? I am repeating. In the poem, the candle guttered like a dying breath, its wax weeping in quiet surrender. Which line most strongly suggests a pathetic fallacy? We have opinions. The candle guttered like a dying breath, its wax weeping in quiet surrender, dying breath, quiet surrender. Your countdown begins right now. Wangapala, it's time you take this home. Wangapala. Oh, yes, tell me.
It's wax weeping in quiet surrender.
Interesting. The answer. But before I tell you whether it's correct or not, do you want to defend? Your defense could build up something stronger. Do you want to defend?
No.
No? Dudi, do you have a different answer?
Yes.
Which is?
The candle guttered like a dying breath.
Do you want to defend?
No.
I love this. We just have answers, but we don't have foundation. Wangapala, your answer is the same as theirs.
Yeah.
Dudi, substitute, do you have a different answer? Interesting. What a teamwork. What a teamwork. The challenge is you teamed up, but was the answer teaming with mine? The correct answer is it's wax weeping in quiet surrender. Wangapala, that is 10 points. Congratulations. Sasa mambo yanaenda kubadilika. Katika lugha ya Kiswahili nawaletea swali ambalo litawapa nafasi ya kubadilisha pointi zenu ama kuacha pointi zenu zibakie papo hapo. Dudi, mpo? Mpo? Katika tamthilia ya Kiswahili, kigogoro cha ndani kinapotumika kinamaanisha nini hasa kwa mhusika mkuu? Nirudie ama niwape majibu mbalimbali?
Rudia.
Kwa umoja. Katika tamthilia ya Kiswahili, kigogoro cha ndani kinapotumika kinamaanisha nini hasa kwa mhusika mkuu? Niwape majibu mbalimbali ama mtapambana?
Tupe.
Mzozo kati ya jamii na mazingira. Ba, mshikamano wa kitabaka. Cha, mapambano kati ya dhamira mbili tofauti ndani ya nafsi. Da, upinzani wa maadili ya kifamilia dhidi ya kazi. Sekunde zenu. Naam.
Upinzani wa maadili ya kifamilia dhidi ya kazi.
Ungependa kutetea jibu lako?
La.
Kwa nini? Mbona umelichagua kati ya majibu mane?
Kwa sababu tumeambiwa kuwa katika tamthilia ya Kiswahili kigogoro cha ndani kinapotumika kinamaanisha nini hasa kwa mhusika. Kwangu nafikiria inahusu tu mhusika peke yake, bali si jamii nzima. Ndiposa nikachagua upinzani wa maadili ya kifamilia dhidi ya kazi.
Utetezi wa namna gani? Our lawyer to be. Wacha niende upande ule mwingine wa Wangapala. Je, jibu lenu ni lipi? Wangapala, jibu lenu ni lipi? Na
mshikamano wa kitabaka.
Ungependa kutetea?
La.
Naomba uulize wenzako akusaidie kutetea, kwa sababu hoja yenyewe umezungumza mkafikia ya kwamba hoja yetu ndiyo hii. Mbona tumeichagua kati ya majibu mengine?
Fikiri inamaanisha kuwa jinsi hapo tumeambiwa kigogoro cha ndani kinapotumika. Mimi nafikiri inamaanisha kuwa yani jinsi ambapo watu wanaotoka pamoja wanajitetea. Na hizi acha mwenzake.
Alright. Dudi, jibu lenu substitutes ni gani?
Upinzani wa maadili ya kifamilia dhidi ya kazi.
Una utetezi mbadala kati na ule wenzao waliofanya awali? La. Wacha tuende upande ule mwingine wa Wangapala, jibu lenu ni lipi?
Mapambano kati ya dhamira mbili tofauti ndani ya nafsi.
Ningependa sana uweze kuelezea, tupe sababu ya kutosha mbona umechagua jibu hili.
Nimechagua jibu hili kwa sababu tumeambiwa kuwa kigogoro cha ndani kinapotumika. So inamaanisha kuwa kigogoro cha ndani inamaanisha kuwa kigogoro cha ndani inamaanisha kuwa katika ni mapambano kati ya dhamira mbili tofauti ndani ya nafsi. Sasa ni mapambano, tukimsema kwa kigogoro ni kama hali ya utatanishi au vita. Naam. Sasa nikasema kuwa ni mapambano kati ya dhamira mbili tofauti ndani ya nafsi.
Asante sana. Pia mimi nina maelezo tofauti kando na nyinyi, na maelezo yangu ni hivi. Kigogoro cha ndani ni pale ambapo mhusika anataabika na maamuzi au hisia mbili zinapopingana ndani yake. Mfano, hofu dhidi ya ujasiri au tamaa dhidi ya maadili. Hivyo basi, jibu sahihi ni gani? Naam.
Mapambano kati ya dhamira mbili tofauti ndani ya nafsi.
Asante sana, hilo ndilo jibu sahihi. Hivyo basi Wangapala wamejizolea pointi 5. Dudi, we try next time. Kwa Wangapala, tamathali gani kati ya zifuatazo haipatikani katika mstari wa shairi? Alilia kimya kimya hadi moyo ukapasuka. Nirudie. Tamathali gani kati ya zifuatazo haipatikani katika mstari huu wa shairi? Alilia kimya kimya hadi moyo ukapasuka. Sekunde zenu zinaanzia sasa hivi. Kuna tanakali, kuna chuku, kuna tashbihi, kuna kinaya. Tanakali, chuku, tashbihi na kinaya. Tupe jibu sahihi. Tupe jibu sahihi. Kumbuka, matokeo yenu yanazidi kuandaliwa. Wangapala, nam?
Tashbihi.
Tashbihi. Tashbihi. Muda wenu umeisha, na kuisha unamaanisha ya kwamba mmeweza kujizolea pointi 10. Asanteni sana. I have one more question that I am throwing to the two teams. And this question is mathematical. So listen to the instruction. Whoever is going to answer it correctly, remember I promised you a bonus. Whoever is going to answer it correctly, and the first one, will be getting 10 points. So, are you ready? So this is the contest between Dudi and Wangapala. So you make sure you have this. I am not thinking to go to the substitutes, so it should be you. Now it starts. A bag contains 4 red balls and 6 green balls. 2 balls are drawn without replacement. What is the probability that they are of different colors? A bag contains 4 red balls and 6 green balls. 2 balls are drawn without replacement. What is the probability that they are of different colors? Your time begins right now. Your time begins right now. Kumbuka, matokeo yenu yanazidi kuandaliwa. Your results are being prepared. And the clock is ticking. This is a bonus. So it doesn't have team A or B. It's who gets it first. We at 1 minute, 3 seconds. Yes, 1 minute. 50 seconds. Yes, you got the answer, Wangapala? Yes, please. What's the answer?
1/22.
1/22. That's not the answer. Dudi?
1/25.
1/25. Subs, Wangapala? The second is
1/20.
Dudi, substitutes?
1/25.
No. The answer is 24/45. Therefore, no one got it, and the bonus goes just like that. It's 0. Your results should be here in a few. And if you've been watching from home, we want to say thank you. Thank you so much for supporting our Team A and Team B, Wangapala and Dudi girls. As I am bringing you the results, our judges, we want to say asanteni sana kwa kujumuika nasi. To our partners, Iraqi, thank you so much. And to the production team, thank you so much. Dear viewer, thank you so much for sticking by in HCK Beewiz contest. We are having 2 results from 2 teams, and we are having Dudi with 75 points. And then we are having Wangapala with 60 points. A round of applause. Thank you so much. That was a big step to join us. Blessing to you as you go forth and win and aim to be the best. Thank you so much for staying by HCK Beewiz contest. My name is Abby Wambua. Until next time, same day, same time.